Now we come to a game called Sound Effects. This is for Greg and Ryan. They're going to act out a scene, but respond to... And Tony, sorry, I'm leaving you out. And they'll be responding some sound effects, which will be coming in due course. You are on board a submarine. That's the scene, and you've got to react to the sound effects. Away you go.
Sounds like someone's knocking on the hull.
Certainly does. Either that or there's a wallaby infestation in the hold. Let them in. It's Pavarotti.
Oh, my God. Oh, please, come sing aboard our song.
Ah, that's better.
Thank God.
Ah, that is better. Sorry.
Oh, that was a blast.
I know.
Look, we're trying to find our way back to the US of A.
Well, why should I know? I'm an opera singer. And I brought my little friend with
Oh,
me.
he's adorable.
Yes, he is.
He's half-eaten.
I got him in Pekingese.
Sorry, I just gave birth.
Oh, she's adorable, too.
The point is, we've been looking out the periscope here. We can't see a thing.
Red alert.
It sounds like a red alert.
Oh, no!
Captain's
I
is
must
calling.
get something to eat.
I don't think we need any more.
Not enough.
I'm so sorry. Now, what do you do for entertainment?
Well, we like to
yodel.
yodel.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Right.
Pavarotti on board the sound.
OK.